Okay, so I think this Nabil is here. It's a big thing today, and but
Assalamualaikum, sir.
what? Thank you very much for coming.
Hello, everyone.
Yeah, probably you don't know some of the people. Fatma Noor was from yesterday, not from yesterday, from last week, and
Yes, sir.
yeah. So anyway, we start not with the David actually. We start with Fatma.
Sure, sir. The thing is,
No, but you
for
need to
this
share
week,
something. You need to share something. You didn't do anything.
well, I read the paper and saw the videos, but for the ZEMAX, because my contract is extending, my desktop access and the card access for lumps, it got denied. So it would get solved by this week. So I have just read the paper and things, so I can share about that.
Mm-hmm. But I mentioned this thing anyway. You don't have your own computer because for you actually, Fatma, whatever you will do here, you will get the feedback from Nabil and Mudassar. Okay.
Okay.
So, and Nabil is very rare to come, and Mudassar is also very moody. So
Okay.
it's a good chance for you to start quickly. And if you have any question, you can ask in this meeting.
Sure.
Okay.
So I have this question. I was since I was going through the paper that I think Mudassir have worked on with you. So in that paper, I was reading about how you guys select those parameters.
Can I interrupt you for a while?
Yeah, sure.
Did you? I mean, I shared link with you the book.
Yeah.
That book is really fruitful. I mean, if you can, and its ebook is very cheap actually. It can be a very good starting point for you, Fatma.
Okay, sir.
Anyway, continue now.
Yeah, so I was going through that paper, and I had this question that how do you determine these the parameters specifically? So I mean a lot of things did go got clear, but how do you work with the lab view or that part? I didn't get that.
No.
After
No.
GCD,
No, Fatma, you don't need to go to the lab view part. Only stick with the ZEMAX part. There is another paper of Mudassar actually, which is only on the ZEMAX. Actually, you can just write his name. You can find his 2-3 papers.
Okay.
So you don't need to go to lab view.
So the video was actually very simple, but the video didn't explain about the things. What is tilt about XYZ? What are the positions? I mean, I did search about them and I got to know, but there was confusion about that.
Whose video? Whose video was?
On your YouTube channel.
No, who was Mudassar or Nabil?
I think Mudassir. The one of the design simulation of simple interferometer in ZEMAX.
Okay. And Mudassar, I think he's showing that online, but he's not there, I think. By sure.
So my network is a little bit slow.
So you can reply to her. I mean, she will be really thankful to you if you can reply to her what she asked.
Okay,
I was the one who uploaded the video.
No, you uploaded, but he made it actually. His video belonged to, I mean, Mudassar, isn't it?
No.
You made it?
No, sir. That simple interferometer was mine.
Okay. You reply to her. I mean, what she asked.
The telescope one and the other Fabry-Perot, all the ones were from Mudassir. Only the simple interferometer was mine.
Okay. So what she asked actually, you can reply to. You can.
So I was asking. Yeah, so I was asking about how do you choose the XYZ positions and the tilt and all that?
Basically, when you open the ZEMAX window, let me try to share my screen, and I can show you how you determine those parameters. How do you know what's x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis?
Mhm.
Let me share my screen. So this is basically ZEMAX screen,
Sure.
and this one is lens data editor window, where you define your components, all the components, as you have
Mhm.
seen in the video.
Yes.
I this window. This is non-sequential component editor. Hello, can you
Okay.
hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
Actually, there was an echo. I was
Mhm.
confused.
You have to turn off your other mic. We don't see anything. Did you share anything?
Yeah, I can see it.
We cannot see. How come you
I
see
am
it?
sharing my ZEMAX screen.
I don't see anything.
Let me share again. I think there must.
Please, can you move the speaking dialogue to the bottom? To no,
You're saying to me?
to Nabil. This
Nabil.
speaking dialogue
Okay, okay.
in the screen, blocking the non-sequential component editor.
But I don't see
Yes.
anything. Let me.
Can you?
No, I don't see actually where it is. Why I don't
Let
see?
me share again. Let share again, sir.
You can see,
Or
David?
maybe you can see Mendewile in the YouTube channel. It is
I guess now it's
transmitting on
stopped,
live.
Okay,
or
I mean,
it's still
if
sharing.
she is seeing now, if Fatma can see the bill what you are sharing, you can keep continue. Okay.
Yeah, I could see previously,
Yes.
but not now.
Okay, maybe he removed it.
Um, from the paper, I have a question. The table one, it has the objects like the what you choose, and then comment radius, thickness, and semi diameter. So, how do you choose the semi diameter?
Fatma, it was much better. I mean, next time when you have a computer, so ask the question in this
Yeah.
way to show, and in this way is much better. In this way,
Okay.
otherwise there is a problem and a confusion. I mean, what exactly you are asking a
Could
man?
I share the paper and ask you the question? I don't know how to share it all. But sure, next time I'll make some slides and ask the question where I have the question. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Okay,
Thank you,
so
sir.
yeah. Okay, so
Can you
then
hear me?
no, Nabil, leave it now. Maybe in the next
Hello?
meeting. In the next meeting, she may have more
I'm on unmute, but I can't hear you guys.
because of your net.
I can't hear you, sir.
You can do one
I
thing
don't know if
actually.
I
You
can
can
hear you.
no, you can do one thing. Yeah,
Can you
log.
please raise your hand if you can hear me?
We can hear you. We can hear you very well.
Yeah.
Okay, Nabil, you are there? The wheel. Okay, so David, you can start, please. Let's see what. You can hear me, David?
Yeah, yes, I can hear you. Let me start. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see.
Okay, sorry. I- Okay, you can see my screen now. I mean, if I put the screen on the full screen, they block me all the vision of the other screen. Okay, I'm going to try
Why,
to
who
reduce
blocked it?
this. The another software program. I cannot go to full screen mode. Okay, but you can see now, I think. Okay, I'm going to start with the flash LIDAR analysis on ANSI ZEMAX Opti Studio.
Okay.
The first step is to put in the infrared range about 940 nanometers or 0.94 micrometers. This is the table of the component editor. If you can see, is the same configuration. With this configuration, we have the illumination mode and the imaging mode. The illumination mode is the module that going to show the pattern or the diffractor lights, and the imaging mode is like a B or like time of flight sensor for
One second.
the LIDAR.
David, 1 second. Why yours? You cannot share this one, only this screen? Only that PowerPoint?
Yeah,
Because I see all the things around. I don't know.
okay, I'm going to try.
Yeah, no.
You can see
Yes,
my screen now?
no. Yeah.
It's okay, all?
Yeah, yes, okay.
Okay, so I have here the configuration of the imaging illumination module that is going to be that is going to share the rays in the pattern, and then the imaging module that capture the time of flight of the LIDAR sensor, like or CCD sensor. We have this and other parameters. And you can see the previous configuration that is
Yes.
a sphere near to you and a table.
Mhm,
And this is the first is the illumination module
Okay.
and the imaging module.
Okay.
So the next step is export the cat state file from ZEMAX to working on SolidWorks. I put the surface 3 to the surface 15. If you can see, the surface 3 is when the lens start, and the surface 15 is when the other imaging module ends. I mean, it's the two modules. And then I have the illumination system in SolidWorks, and then I have the imaging system in SolidWorks. Then I save this module for ZEMAX. We need to go to objects, then SolidWorks files, and then CAD files, and then we are putting then all the CAD models on step CAD modules that we are going to use. For example, we have here the folding machine that is our table, and we here have also only that the case and the table. Then I import the full system LIDAR that is going to be the case. First, I don't know where is located the component, so I import the two components, that is the illumination module and the imaging module on SolidWorks. Then I try to make a case, and I put this case, but when I give me some surface error, I mean, when you combine some module or some surface that is very close each other, they going to give you an error. So I need to redesign the case for the appropriate geometry of the imaging lenses. We can also move in the ZEMAX, modifying the coordinate X, Y, and Z. You can move these parts. So I try to put this very close and then have this case. So if I freeze, do the case without cover. So in this way, because that have no cover in front and back, we can only surrender the imaging system and the illumination system. So then I put only the front case and the back case. I put the cover and imported to ZEMAX case like a PMA material type, that is a plastic material. You can see here that is a full case of the flash LIDAR system, like a PMA material. Then I start the simulation, and we can hear that is doing exactly that we expect to do. Basically, when we simulate some system, in this case, a real system, we need to specify every material. For example, these lenses is going to be like a diffraction grating. In the real life, the PMA material that is plastic have a recover like a layer, and this layer have optical properties that make dispersive layer like a diffraction grating. But in the ZEMAX software, you cannot apply a diffraction layer to a component system, so you need to aggregate a diffraction grating in place of the component. When you put a diffraction grating, it's allowed to put in even in the material. If you put two lenses, it is going to give you some errors because there are some pieces that I crashing together, but the diffraction grating can be allowed to put in exactly in the material, and this is going to be like the coating material. So then I have here, we can see the illumination mode that disperses the rays of the LIDAR, infrared rays, and the imaging mode that is going to capture the lights that reflect back from the objects. And this calculated the time of flight. And we can hear the case more close. And here's the from view. We can see the sphere near to you and the table back to you. I mean that the sphere is more close to myself and the table is far away. This is the table. I have this in the detector viewer. We have false color and linear incoherence irradiance. Then we put ignore errors, scatter rays, and save the rays in the file called flash LIDAR system .crd. Then I configure the ray database viewer. I'm going to simulate 1000 rays from 1 to 1000. And I'm going to calculate the X, Y, and Z direction of every pixel and show the unprocessed data. Yeah, I'm going to have the path. The path is going to be the time of flight because it's what duration take the ray to give or to impact in an object. In this case, the sphere and the table. Then this file is 1000 rays, and I click and in Windows, copy to clipboard. Then I put this in a TXT file, call it flash LIDAR data length, and I do the same operation that the last time, that is in the Colab. And I generate two Excel files, write segment and write summary. I only going to use write summary. In this case, I have the map of time of flight. And we can see here the sphere is near to use about half a meter, and the table in the green box is like a point or 3/4 of meter or 0.750 meters. Then you can see here that exactly the sphere is about 500 millimeters or half meter, and the table is about 3/4 of meter or 750 millimeters. Then we do the simulation of the time of flight, but in the 3D view. You can see here that for example, the sphere is a half meter, and the table is a 3/4 of meter. And even we can see also the geometry of the table and the sphere. We also have some error. The error is the purple dots that is from you. Okay. Also, you can try for yourself the Colab code for time of flight or the flash LIDAR in the following QR. We can scan with the cell phone and try the program to see the graphical interactivity. Any questions?
Yeah, so what exactly, I mean, you concluded here today? It's you were showing assembly. Last time you were showing a kind of assembly you are going to have to assemble the optical system.
Yeah, well, I conclude that we can be very specified in the system. For a real system, we only we need to simulate all the materials, all the surrounding of the lenses. Generally, this type of lenses are involved in a cylinder, and this cylinder then is going to be very close because you are going to have some reflection in that cylinder, and you're going to choose a right material, for example, PMMA. And every more detailed the software, you have more real life behavior. In this case, this is we can also do more aggregates like the cylinder surrounding the lenses and the imaging system, and even try to modify the case. But this is like a simple case. But this is very close to the initial tutorial. Another step could be to do another configuration like the paper from the Chinese university, that they put all the system together, the illumination mode and the imaging mode in the same cylinder. But we can conclude that the ZEMAX software can allow you to simulate every object. For example, in the table, it's like a CAD file, but the CAD file don't have optical properties. So I need to specify the table have about 40 surface that I need to specify that is reflective and Lambertian profile. For example, and the sphere, because it's only one solid, you only put a reflective and in this case it's the Lambertian profile, and the same the wall is like a mirror, and it's Lambertian profile and reflective. In this case, you can see how the light interacts in every object depending on the properties of the objects. Is it a mirror or a lens? They're going to focus the light or reflect the light.
So I mean, if you can,
there is
yes.
There's another software, but we need to use a SolidWorks from the 2012 version. That is the PartLink. PartLink is when you use a DLL software that ZEMAX and SolidWorks communicates at the same time. If you modify one piece in the SolidWorks, they automatically enlace this modification onto ZEMAX, and maybe then I can do that operation because it's very useful. In the newer version, we cannot do that. The parlink was removed.
Okay, so according to you, this your LIDAR stuff is finished now, is concluded?
Yes, I have conclude this simulation, but in near future I have to do more types of LIDAR, because this is a flash LIDAR, but with this setup, but you can also configure different lenses. I mean,
No,
instead of having a cylinder,
yes, okay, David.
you can have also a array of lenses.
No, what I'm saying, if you can, I mean, these results are not very, like, if you can present systematically, probably, I mean, we need to conclude something. If these results can be, we can present these kind of results somewhere.
Yes, maybe we can do a YouTube tutorial or I don't know.
But if you make a PPT of all these results, like in a streamlined, because you are using basically the you are not the analysis by the ZEMAX actually. You are using the Colab, basically the Python code for the or the graphical representation.
Yes, because we don't have the ZEMAX source AP model that allow you to put the Python code or the C# code into the ZEMAX. That's because I get the file and process it in the Python. The newer version have the possibility to modify the code inside of ZEMAX.
Yeah, I know that. But what do you see? I mean, on the ZEMAX screen, if you see the ZEMAX analysis, just the screen, the output, what do you see?
In this case,
this is
we
here
have
here we cannot see. I mean, what exactly we want to see. Do you think so?
Yes, it's only the pixel that is
only the
the time of flight sensor capture. Yeah. Yes, in the tutorial they also do a configuration for the optical system, like the transfer function or another plots that verify that you are working with the correct light source.
We can add something. We can add something in it other than tutorial.
Yeah.
So we can make a kind of article to publish or something like this. Is it possible to modify a bit?
Yes, it's possible.
Okay, thank you very much, David.
You're welcome.
Nabil, you are here? Nabil, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you now.
You have any question from the David? Did you see his presentation? Nabil, can you hear me? Nabil.
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Okay, if you can hear me, can you please report your progress a bit?
Tell me now, sir.
I cannot hear you properly. I think you have a severe net problem.
Switched on data and disconnected from Wi-Fi. I don't know why.
Now
The
I can
issue
hear
is
you.
still there.
Now I can hear you.
Yes, sir. I switched to data before. I don't know why the issue is still there.
No, it's always there actually. So update about your stuff.
I did try it. I tried again from the console stuff, from the basic, from the start.
Mhm.
I couldn't see any differences by changing the different parameters which we discussed before. We need to study those parameters. I couldn't see any significance difference between all the between the figures. Actually, they all look same. The only thing that creates the difference is what I reported before. That was the susceptibility constant coefficient, which we add as nonlinear coefficient. That shows the significant change, and then by changing the power, that shows the significant changes. Other than that, by changing the temperature or the what you say, the length of the nonlinear region, I couldn't get any.
Okay, so I mean, how? I mean, what do you think now? I mean, how to publish this one? I mean, what you can do? You can hear me?
Track those results. I can check if I can extract any something else results.
You have to do it quickly. I mean, it's getting too late.
Yes, sir. I don't know. It's getting very late. It should have been submitted by now. But I'll try to do it as ASAP, as soon as possible.
And how about your ZEMAX stuff?
Which one, sir?
ZEMAX stuff.
Next, the one
Yeah.
with the second harmonic generation setup.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
You-
It is still there. I mean, it's functional.
No,
I don't know if
no,
we
you
can.
didn't discuss with the
Yes,
Mudassar what he suggested you to do.
yes, sir. I texted him
Mhm.
that I tried his suggestion, but it didn't work.
Mhm. Then,
Yes, sir.
and then what he said?
No, sir. We haven't discussed then after that.
The
You asked me to.
very slow. I mean, your progress is very, 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 very slow.
Yes, sir. It's lagging. I know. These days it's very much lagging exponentially.
Yeah, definitely, it's not good for you.
Yeah,
Um,
sir.
both of you actually, Zanfar and you. I mean, their progress is really declining now in these days.
Yes, sir. I know.
So I don't know. It's up to you. I mean, if you want to publish that article, because that article is somehow ready. If you can add
Yes, sir.
add something to be. I mean, we can try to somewhere in some journal.
Yes, sir. I
So
will
that otherwise it will
look.
be wasted. I mean, if you take a longer time.
No, sir. I'll look into it deeply and try to extract if I can extract something more.
And what is about what are the updates about the second article?
Still review.
Mhm.
It's in still review. Like the shared the first author. Then I checked in the menu on the website.
Mhm.
It's in review process.
Mhm.
Maybe in the coming week we'll get some report.
I
Hopefully.
think you will be overburdened. I mean, if you because your previous article is still pending, and if another one will come for the review, you will be in a trouble. So at least finish
No, sir.
one.
We'll try to do it ASAP.
So I don't think you are working very efficiently, I think. You're giving less time now.
Yes, yes, sir. These days I'm giving very less time. I know.
Mhm. Okay, so it's up to you. I mean, if you can speed up, it's good for you.
Yes, sir. Sure. I'll try to.
Mm. Okay, so David, I mean, uh, if you have any question, probably you don't have any question now.
Yes, I can see Mudasir showed me a paper from the ZEMAX interferometer, and they put the optical setup in like, for example, that they generate in a PowerPoint or another vectorial image, and they only put the mm, the transfer function of the optical system to see how is behavior. And maybe I can use that paper to try to do similar with the LIDAR system.
When did he send you this paper?
At the first time when we start to working with the Siemens. I have here, maybe I
Month, 2
have
months
the
ago,
paper.
2 months ago.
It's like yes, 2 months ago, like it's like
Okay. Mhm.
mm,
No, actually, okay.
interferometer.
I remember now. I remember now. You don't need to share. So probably, I mean, if you can integrate something your with that one, I mean, it can be.
Okay.
Yeah. So probably, I mean, it's good. I mean, you also conclude something, so we can publish something or present somewhere or something like this. Okay, David. So
Yes,
you will
yes,
be. So what will be your next target now?
to complete with the other guy that sent me the multi-sim simulation,
Mhm.
and then conclude the paper because they are having some trouble. They also tell me that they have no time also in the week because they was writing the curriculum vitae.
Who writing? Who?
Uh, I think okay. The the guy that is working on the lock-in amplifier.
Yes, the Guzanfar you mean.
Yes.
So did you go through that file, the multisim?
Yes, yes, I am going to be working with that multi-sim simulations.
Okay. Okay, so Fatima, if you have any question, otherwise I think you need to present something in the next week and present something. I mean, to make slides and so that easier to show what exactly do you
Sure,
want.
sir. Sure, I'll present next week
By the way, you are at Lumps now or are you at home?
at lunch.
But how come Mudassar is not having internet problem and you don't have?
I don't have any internet problem.
Surprise, because it's the same building. So anyway,
Actually, I connected directly. Maybe he didn't, without connecting it directly. There's internet lag, so I don't know.
I don't know, maybe. Okay, so okay, let's meet in the next meeting, and we'll see how things will progress. By the way, David, one thing you can do actually, you are interested in do. You remember that guy? I mean, the Shoaib Mustafa. So that the Python stuff. There are some, I mean, tools in the Python for the optics. So probably after finishing your stuff, you may also try that one.
Okay, sir.
Because
I
yeah,
can try
because he left actually, he's not interested in anymore. So probably, I mean, if you can spare some time. Okay. Okay, so then
yes. Okay.
yeah. Okay, David, thank you very much. And Fatma, we'll see you in the next meeting. Okay, thank you very much. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.